Some jobs look impossible until you watch the people who've mastered them. Today, you'll see some of the most satisfying, skillful, and unbelievably precise moments caught on camera. And believe me, every clip gets even better than the last, because it's Ego Digo. These aren't ordinary wires. They're massive copper cables used in high-power electrical projects. After installation, the leftover ends are fed into this machine, which strips away the outer layer and recovers the pure copper inside. Nothing goes to waste. Wait, what just happened? This tiny tool solves a problem golfers deal with every day. It's so simple, yet incredibly satisfying to watch. Looks easy, but it takes years of skill to do this right. This wooden shoe isn't shaped by a machine. Every curve is carefully crafted by the hands of a skilled artisan. One tiny mistake can ruin the entire piece, so every cut, every detail, and every finish has to be absolutely perfect. That's exactly why handmade wooden shoes are so valuable. Peeling a fruit by hand can take minutes, but this incredible machine does it in just seconds. As the fruit spins at high speed, the blade removes only the thin outer skin, without wasting the juicy part inside. Fast, precise, and almost perfectly satisfying to watch. Think cutting down a tree is the hard part? Think again. This powerful stump grinder shreds the leftover tree stump into wood chips, in just seconds. Fast, satisfying, and incredibly efficient. I had no idea high-pressure water could make such a tough job look this easy.